I don't know when, but God does. Marami pa rin namang hindi ko alam. Marami pa rin namang hinihintay. Marami pa rin malabo sa ngayon, pero hindi ibig sabihin nun ay hindi gumagalaw ang Diyos. He is present in your life, even if you think He doesn't. He is working on the things you don't know anything about. And He still holds everything together in the palm of His hands. Dear, He knows when. You just have to trust His timing. Hindi porket nahuli ang iyo, ay hindi ibig sabihin nun ay hindi na the best ang makukuha mo. The last doesn't mean the least. He is just saving the best for last. Nauna lang sila, pero may nakalaan para sa'yo. May nakalaan na the best para sa'yo. In Him, there's no plan B. So leave it in God's hands. Sa takdang panahon, mauunawaan mong dahilan kung bakit mo kailangang maghintay. With love and prayers, Noel.